Guys, ah, this is amazing, guys. P is for
Peanut.
here.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We drink a little spirits from time to time. Oh, sure, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Mary if you're new here. Welcome to Steve and Marie's Lifestyle and Adventure TV. Guys, I couldn't tell when I call out the full name of the channel. Steve is right over there sitting down having his breakfast. And I'm gonna make something for him. Guys, it should have been done a very long time ago. And my main ingredients, we've been eating it out. And so I need to make it today or else my promise to you will not be fulfilled. I'm gonna make it and then have Steve sample it for you. It's peanut punch, guys. So for those of you who are not new here, you would know that I have a garden, and in that garden I planted some peanuts a while back, and I had an amazing harvest. You know what, guys? Let me share the harvest with you and then get back. Yeah? Yeah. Soon. I was about to say I don't think I got much, but that's plenty. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Can you see those, guys? Oh, my word. Oh, my word. This is incredible. Huh?
There you go.
Thank you, sweetie. Say good morning to the guys, baby. Don't forget.
Good morning, guys.
Oh, my word.
Wow.
Look at that.
And enough of them are over.
Yes. Look at peanuts. Amazing. Guys. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. And can you see some of them are growing? Guys. This is amazing, guys. So yes, guys, after we did that harvest, we dried the peanuts, cured them. Usually it takes about 2 weeks or so to cure them in the sun or somewhere extremely dry if you don't have sun at the minute. And then once they're dried, you shell them, basically. And guess what? I did it with my little man. He's 3 years old if you're new here, and he's Mikael. And guys, I didn't know I had patience until I have that baby shelling 10 pounds of peanuts with me. Baby, you know, Mikael shelled the whole thing. So because I was enjoying mommy and say good morning. He's right back there, guys.
Good morning, viewers, subscribers.
Belly full, you forget what we said. Yeah, guys, I didn't know I had patience. I was enjoying mommy son time, and I almost forgot to videotape the process of shelling the peanut. But I remembered at the nick of time, and so I did a little video to share with you guys. Of course.
Today.
You're happy today?
Okay. Ooh, it break.
Great.
Okay. Surprise!
What you got out of it?
A peanut.
Awesome.
P is for
P is for
peanut.
here.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, Mom. This is all with them.
This is a man. I have to be patient. He has been shelling all the peanuts.
Okay, Mommy.
Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I like peanuts.
You like peanuts?
It break?
Did you know mommy grew these peanuts?
Yes.
Yes. That one is giving you a hard time? Put your hand over the container, baby. Here, do this one. Here. Let me...
Do this one?
Yes, this one. Here.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks!
You're welcome.
Thanks!
You're welcome, buddy. He insists on doing all the peanuts, and I'm letting him.
Ooh, it break!
It break? Put it in here.
Oops!
You got it? Awesome.
Awesome!
Here, let me help you open that one. Do this one. Let me help you with this one. There you go.
Thanks!
You're welcome.
Ooh, it break!
Did it break it? It's supposed to break.
Okay.
We're almost done here, Mickey.
Yes!
Yeah, you did a fantastic job today.
Yes!
Yes. Here, I'm helping you. Open it right here. I wonder if you'll drink the peanut.
It break!
I'm gonna make some peanut porridge out of this for you.
Peanut porridge?
Yeah, with a lot of peanuts.
Want some peanuts?
Yes.
Ooh, it break!
It break?
Okay.
Here.
Oops!
Here. Take this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Awesome. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna make.
Awesome!
This is about 1 pound of peanuts or more.
Wanna go to find the top with?
You done now? Thank you so much, Mikael. Thank you, baby.
Wanna stay?
You want to stay? Alright, you want to finish it up. You're such a determined boy. Here. Come on. Alright, you're done. You did a fantastic job. Look at that. Yeah, it was fun. Took patience, but it was fun, guys. Now we're gonna get back to this thingy right here. So as I said, guys, the star of the show is the peanuts. And I'm just going, by the way, guys, I made peanut porridge already from the peanuts. So this is what left, because I had the peanuts on the counter here. That is Steve. Yes, back to what we were saying, guys. So I made peanut porridge already for him, and I had the peanuts right here. So every time he walked by, he would snack on some of the peanut. So this is actually what's left of the peanuts, all those peanuts we harvested. It is quite a bit. It's about ½ pound of organic peanut, homegrown peanuts. And I have my stuff here, all of what I need to make. Hopefully I've not forgotten anything. These are what I'm going to use to make our peanut punch today. And of course, I promised to share one of the recipes as to how I use my peanuts. So here it goes. And I'll definitely share this video on Farming on the Rocks for those persons who are not aware yet that we have another channel that I use to cook, make juice, travel, all of our excitement, our DIY, we do it on this channel. And then everything else farming is done on Farming on the Rocks. So here goes. So guys, myself and Steve, we've been together since 2001. Not 2021, as I was corrected a while ago. 2001, and this blender, by the way, this month is my birthday and I'm accepting a blender. This blender has been with us since 2002. 1 year after we met, we've had this blender, so that explains why it looks this way. Okay, all right, so we'll be adding our first ingredients first, our homegrown peanuts. Hey baby, you're not proud. This is the first ingredient. Guys, this drink is not for kids. You'll see why. So our homegrown peanuts first. And guys, I'm not washing them because I harvested these I prepare them from scratch, so there's no dirt on it, absolutely no dirt. I'll share how I wash these and dry them, so you'd see. There's no need to wash them. I'm washing peanuts. You're going to eat some? No? But you like peanuts. After the peanut, I'm going to make this thing full. So I'm going to add a little bit of my oats. I'm going to add a little oats just so it is smooth and nice when it's done. A little oats. You don't necessarily have to make this with any form of measurement, guys. And then we went to the supermarket, and we don't know if this is new, but it is kind of new to us. This is Lasco food drink. Guys, we're not on diet, so no need to tell us that we're eating too much sugar. This is 50% less sugar though. And we're trying this. Usually we use the peanut. This is almond. So we're going to use this. We're not sponsored by Lasco. We just like using Lasco food drink products. So we're going to add that to our blender. And I'm going to add some milk. These will be added to the juice jug. All that is left here. I'm going to use the milk to blend. Maybe you want salt in there? You want salt in there? Let me go get a little salt. I think he's lactose intolerant, but he won't stop drinking milk. So I let him. You'll be fine. Just a little salt. I'm going to add a little bit of water because the Lasco is kind of sweetish. And then we're going to blend this first. Guys, we want to ensure that this is blended really fine. The peanut could have been boiled if you want it really smooth, but we don't mind a little bit of...
So we nearly kick over or something?
Yeah. Are you to kick it over? Guys, this is one of the reasons why it's not for kids. You want to blend it, well, according to you. We like it with a little bit of crunch, but not too much. So I'm trying to get it as smooth as I possibly can. This is very, very smooth at the minute. So we're going to add it to our juice jug and then add the goodies. We're gonna make it goody, goody, goody. Hold on, let me get my juice jug. Oh, it smells so good already, guys, because of the almond Lasco. It smells so good. All right, so this goodness in the blender we can't afford to lose. So this is a Magnum tonic wine, and I'm going to use it to wash out the blender. Well, some of it. Let's not make it too strong now. Ah, yes. All right. Now to this, I'm going to add some supplicant. And you could add Irish moss. What the other one name, baby? Nutriment. Any one of those drink that you like. You could add. I didn't shake up this, did I? You're supposed to shake them well, right? Let me shake it well. And add some of this to my, ooh, look at that goodness. Oh my word. Yes. And then I'm going to add a dragon stout. Baby, you didn't pull it. Let me get that. I'm going to add a dragon stout to this. And if you don't drink alcohol, you could add a malta. Any of those malted beverages, but we drink a little spirits from time to time. Yes, we live once, man. We only live once. When we're done, we walk up and down the hill and burn the fat. And then I'm going to add some vanilla for spice. And then this would not be a punch unless we add some real Jamaican nutmeg. Here's my little grater. Just grate some fresh nutmeg in there. If you don't have fresh nutmeg, you can use some allspice. Whether you have the powder or the liquid form, you could add some of that. But trust me, guys, the real nutmeg, that's what you want in there. Let me just combine all of this goodness. Guys, this is what you call homemade strong back. Guys, you could even add a banana to this if you want to make it a little thicker. But my sugar don't want anything else apart. Baby, you can manage to drink it with your belly full, because you're gonna have to sample it for us, love. This is our peanut punch with homegrown peanuts. Trust me, fresh homegrown peanuts. I am yet to find the one in the pack that tastes as good. Yet to find it. Alright, let me get my glass to pour. I think I'm gonna have to drink it because my husband, I just fed him. So he probably will only be able to just taste it and tell us what he thinks. And then have his for his lunch. Oh my word. My word, the smell, guys. Guys, you see my wait patiently? Just look at him and him saying belly full.
Are you calling me now?
Look at your mouth full of dust, the sandwich. Now for the moment of truth, guys. What happened?
Cheers.
Me know this tastes good. Oh my word.
Woo!
Oh, sure, guys.
Nothing like a cold drink of peanut punch.
Yeah.
From Marie's kitchen.
My kitchen.
Yeah.
Not our kitchen.
From Marie's kitchen, guys.
My kitchen. You come, taste it.
It want cool.
Baby, me not eat no breakfast and I want to mash this up. I told you it would be good.
Breeder, guys.
No. No, guys. Nobody drink no more. Give me it. Nobody drink it when you go work. Go work it out.
Tastes so good. Ready, one? One little bit more.
No, guys. Tell him no.
One little bit more, please. Thank you.
Guys, and I have some more growing. I'm going to show you at the end of this video because guess what? This is so good. The peanut, we made the porridge. You eat the porridge at night when you come from work, don't it? So here Malik, guys, let me tell you a secret. I want Malik to watch this. So guys, Malik go to school Monday to Friday. So I said don't make the porridge until Saturday or Sunday. I made the porridge in the week, right? So I left some in the pot for Malik. The morning when I got up, the pot is in the sink. And I said, Malik, don't eat and leave anything in the sink. So it can't be Malik eat the porridge. Daddy eat Malik porridge. Hear him when he wake up. Where is the porridge?
So guys, I came in about 11 o'clock.
Malik, vex, Malik.
When I opened the fridge and I saw the porridge, I just put it
Oh,
on
so he put it in our fridge for him breakfast. Oh
I
my
just
God.
warm it up quick and fast then.
So we have to wait patiently on the other crop, which will be about 2-3 weeks time.
Breather, guys, breather.
No.
No, I'm just saying to take a breather.
Breather. I thought you said breather.
Just take a breather while you drink. Right, take a deep breath.
But you're
Breather,
drinking
guys,
picnic porridge.
breather.
So after him eat in breakfast, go work and come back and eat the boiled porridge. So I forgive him because this
A
is
peanut porridge.
and if the alcohol too, no, you're not too strong.
Peanut
No.
porridge and nice.
It was so good, guys, but sometimes I'm in such a rush, I can't grab the camera all the time, but I stop slurp it. Where was I? Yeah, but the next crop, I won't make the punch, I'll make the porridge for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So thank you for joining us, guys. I appreciate you as always, yeah?
As always, guys. Tell me what you think about the peanut. Tell me what you think about the taste.
Guys, but
Did you
I know
enjoy it?
if me enjoy,
No, I'm asking the guys if they
you
enjoy
give them
it.
some?
Yeah, I just did. Tell me how it tastes, guys.
But seriously, guys, October is my month.
In a few days, she will.
You know my age I got that?
She will be older. In a
Very
few
older.
days.
Baby, but this is mostly yours though.
Yeah.
And give Malik some because you're eating
Thank you.
porridge.
Thank you guys for watching.
Appreciate you
I
guys.
appreciate you.
See you in the next one.
Leave a comment.
Always.
Like.
Subscribe, it's free.
Share.
That's free too.
Share.
It's free.
Yeah.
Alright guys, bye.
Show that you care.
You're gonna go rest for work. I'm gonna go rest for my work. Well, there's no rest for me. You guys are very, very determined, no rest for the wicked. Goodbye.
No, I'm not believing that. You're not wicked.
I know literal, you know mean literal. You know everybody is considered to be wicked if you're not God. Mosquito.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
There's no such thing here. Don't consider yourself wicked unless you know you're wicked. Anyway, we're straying from the point.
Have a blessed day.
Bye guys. So yeah, I have these. I have another container there and one down at the entrance. One last look at my harvest, guys.